Peter, I'm rising today asking for a debate with the Minister for Transport. The Minister for Transport, a Green colleague in government, presumably has the same desire as ourselves, which is to induce people into the use of public transport in as far as possible. I have put in commencements over the last number of years asking for the Minister to come in and answer for the bizarre behaviour and decisions of the National Transport Authority when it comes to bus services in the constituency of Dublin South Central. I have raised before in this House about the bizarre situation that in Chapel which had 7 bus services, there was a sudden reduction down to 1 bus service. And in a community where there is a primary school but no secondary school, and the secondary school is the one in Lucan, they changed it to a situation where families now have to take 2 buses to get to Lucan, causing an additional 178 car journeys per week in bringing children to school. And so how on earth the NTA, that are charged with trying to encourage public transport, and an absolute fortune being put into their pockets from a budget perspective, and yet nobody is answerable for the bizarre decisions that are made in reducing bus services, in causing car transport services. We have exactly the same in Inchicore, where the 13, the 68 and the 69 buses are going to be reduced, therefore isolating the people of Inchicore and Bluebell from public transport. But that decision has been made and is going ahead next year, and no one is answerable for it. Absolutely no one. Communities are being left without public transport, being forced into cars at a time when every momentum is to move otherwise, and somebody needs to be answerable for it. So I'm asking for the Minister for Transport to come in and be answerable to this House. Thank you.